Lock and loop error on Bento for Business fix. If your Bento for Business account keeps looping back to the login screen no matter how many times you enter your credentials, you're not alone. This is one of the most common and most frustrating login issues users experience. But here's the surprising truth: the problem usually isn't with your password or the Bento servers. It's with your browser or device holding on to bad session data. Let's fix it step by step. First, close all active Bento tabs or completely exit the app if you're using a mobile device. Then reopen it and try logging in again. Sometimes a quick restart clears a temporary session glitch. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. On Android, go to Settings apps, find Bento for Business and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will automatically clear the session data. For those using the web version, open your browser's settings and clear cookies related to Bento. Old cookies often store expired authentication tokens, which cause the endless login loop. Make sure your app or browser is updated. Outdated versions can't communicate properly with Bento's latest security systems. Visit the App Store or Google Play and update to the latest release. If the problem persists, switch networks, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Some networks block secure redirects used in Bento's login process. Finally, if you're using a password manager, turn it off for one login attempt. These tools can autofill outdated credentials or hidden characters that trigger the loop. Once you've done all this, restart your device and try again. In most cases, you'll get in smoothly. So, the next time you face a login loop on Bento for Business, don't panic. It's not your account, it's just your device holding on to old data. Clear it, refresh your session, and you'll be back to managing your business expenses without a hitch.